Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I have shared the special moments of my life with you. Today I have the opportunity to go to the interesting and insightful place called Colombo Dockyard PLC. This is the first time that I am visiting to the Colombo Dockyard PLC. I'm very exciting right now. We spent a couple of hours visiting their machine, steel metal, pipe welding and modeling workshops. After visiting their own training center, they offered us to visit the ship repairing and shipbuilding yards. When we experienced the real world environment of welding, cutting, fabricating, and painting by using manual, semi automatic, and sophisticated equipment. Let me give the brief introduction of Colombo Dockyard PLC. They started their operations in 1974 as a government entity and of course as a company, but the day before that their facilities are developed by British in 1966 to repair their royal fleets. As a company they inaugurated in 1974. After in 1988 they built their biggest dry dock facility. In 1993 is the influential year for the Colombo Dockyard PLC because that year they collaborate with Onomichi Dockyard of Japan. You can see the ships that they are currently working for. In 2006, they successfully ventured into the offshore shipbuilding market segment with anchor holding tug supply. In 2019, they entered to the cable layer vessel market segment in Japan. In 2020, they successfully contracting with the European client for the first time for a series of eco-bulk carriers. This is the project that they are currently dealing with. After that, we moved to see their another workshop. Now you can see the vessel called Samudra Sevak. Samudra Sevak is a diving support vessel that was built in 1988 and is sailing under the flag of India. Her carrying capacity is 4,000 deadweight tonnage and her current depth is reported to be 5.4 meters. Her length overall is 101.8 meters and her width is 19.5 meters. Now we arrived to that workshop. This is next level experience for me as an undergraduate student in management and finance. But we learned a lot of insightful things in this visit. I'm very thankful to every parties that they give the opportunity to visit this Colombo Dockyard PLC. This is the place that they are creating a basic hull structure of a ship. Now you can see the proud product of Colombo Dockyard PLC. This is the ship called Miss J. Viola, Eco Bulk Carrier. Miss J. Viola is a general cargo and is sailing under the flag of Norway. Her carrying capacity is 5,000 deadweight tonnage and her current depth is reported to be 3 meters. Her length overall is 90 meters and her width is 15 meters. There is a vessel called Surya Virya. This is the LPG tanker, it means gas tanker, built in 2010 and currently sailing under the flag of Liberia. The vessel is sailing at a speed of 13.6 knots. After watching the workshops, shipbuilding and ship repairing areas, finally we went to see how the Ceylon Dockyard designs the ships. That's how we spent our day with Colombo Dockyard. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more contents.